Canada has such a fantastic history of nature and natural landscapes.
Being able to go stand in the middle of a prairie and hear the birds calling and the flowers blooming, you can't put a price tag on it. It's just serene, it's solitude, it's beauty.
Partnership between Toshiba and the Nature Conservancy of Canada is a really strong one in helping preserve that history and preserve those places for yourself and for your children for generations to come.
Technology is really required to do that in an efficient way. The Land Information System is a system of record for our entire conservation program. We can tell you exactly how many acres we own across the country. I can tell you every property in the country where we're dealing with invasive species. And it's at everybody's fingertips.
We can basically do at a click of a button what used to take us weeks.
Partners like Toshiba who allow us to take that next step forward, helping us to move forward and be more effective and be the best that we can be. It's that synergy where by working together you can do much more than you could by yourselves.
Being able to drive together for the same outcome, to be there in the long term.
Gives us places to go to, where we can be still, where we can be quiet, where we can get away from the business of everyday life.
We need to be able to pass this on to others. They should experience it just as I experience it today, 100 years from now.